Hey, I'm Ari from Touring Israel. Today we're in Akko. When you look at the room around us, we are in French medieval period, but you see here a Roman granite column. Akko, after the Crusaders period, was recycled by the Turks, by the Ottomans, and they recycled all the ruins of Caesarea into the new Akko. The next place we're going to see was discovered thanks to a prisoner who was in the prison, which is right now behind me. He started to dig his cell and found huge rooms. Unfortunately, our guy was hanged, so he couldn't discover it by himself. But 20 years later, some archaeologists went to dig, and what was discovered is 2 floors under the actual prison where we're gonna go right now. This stone is very important in the discovery of this place. It shows us who was the owner, so it made it faster to understand who did build all this area. We are in the center of the Crusaders' castle. We are in the courtyard of what was Knights Hospitaller General Quarter. If you look above my head, you'll see that the second story has a different architecture with smaller arches. They are Turkish. This was the courtyard of the prison. We have a third structure which is ugly. This is British. This map shows you the actual old city of Akko. We are going right now here, underground. Crusaders or not Crusaders, they had to go to the toilet. And as you can see on those toilets, there was no privacy.
Oh, Francois, what did you eat yesterday?
Not only like in Hollywood movies, but in the reality, every good castle had a tunnel where from the VIPs could escape in case of trouble. Nothing better to end the tour than a cold, fresh microbrew Israeli beer. See you in Israel soon.